Coming to the second bit, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of the production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Let us see the solution. Assume the number of toys produced in a day is equal to X. Number of toys produced in a day is equal to X. Now, the cost of the production of each toy is equal to 55 minus number of toys produced in a day. Cost of production of each toy is equal to 55 minus number of toys produced in a day is X. So this becomes 55 minus X. Total cost of production is nothing but number of toys produced in a day multiplied by cost of production of each toy. So total cost of production becomes X times of 55 minus X. According to the given problem, total cost of production is equal to 750 rupees. We can write X times of 55 minus X is equal to 750. On multiplying, we get 55x minus x square is equal to 750. So transposing the terms on the left hand side to the right hand side, we get x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now the product of the first term and the last term is 750 x square. We need two terms such that their product must be equal to 750 x square and their sum must be equal to minus 55x. Let us take 25x and 30x. 25x multiplied by 30x is 750x square. 25x plus 30x is 55x. Here we have minus 55x. So if we put a minus sign here, we get the sum as minus 55x and the product as 750x square. So minus 25x and minus 30x satisfy both the conditions. So we can replace minus 55x with minus 25x and minus 30x. So this is plus 750 is equal to 0. X can be taken as common from the first and second terms. We get x minus 25 and here minus 30 can be taken as common. So this becomes x minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 25 can be taken common and the remaining terms will be x minus 30. This is equal to 0. We can write x minus 25 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x will be 25, also x will be 30. Here we need to find the number of toys produced on that day. The number of toys produced on that day, number of toys produced is equal to, it can be either 25 or 30.